Hey, my name is Louis Guevara. I am an account relationship manager over at Stellar Industrial Supply. We're a full-line industrial supplier, so cutting tools, PPE, abrasives, MRO. Down here in the Southwest, we kind of focus on the cutting tools though. My first impression of Fullerton was everyone's so nice. So I started off at the warehouse at Stellar and then kind of worked my way up, and Fullerton was one of the first suppliers that I was working with, and yeah, from the get-go, everyone was super nice and sweet. Down at a customer with Whitney from Fullerton, and customer said they're having a problem with this tool from another supplier. Whitney checked her website, she hooked up with her team here, ran from the city we were in down to MC Sales and picked up an end mill, drove back to the customer same day. So part two to the same story. Customer was just running through end mills. They had tried end mills, multiple end mills from multiple suppliers. The end mill, the Fury Vicor that Whitney ended up picking up, it just blew every other end mill out of the water, and it was less expensive. So yeah, that one it kicked butt. The way Fullerton stands out is when I come into MC Sales or when I talk to the team, it just seems like everyone's family. Everyone's super close, knows each other's family and kids. Yeah, it just seems like a really tight-knit group of people. I would 100% recommend Fullerton to others, to end users, to my coworkers and colleagues.